All right, hello chemistry students. We are looking at writing the formulas for tertiary ionic compounds. So we're given the name lithium dichromate. I know it's going to be tertiary because that ATE ending is telling me this is a polyatomic ion. All right, lithium, we should know it's a group 1 metal, it's always +1, and the dichromate, we need to have that list of 10 down. We need to see, when we see the name dichromate, we immediately think, okay, that's Cr2O7, and it's got a -2 charge. All right, so now we're going to leave the subscripts alone. We're not going to touch that at all. The lithium's +1, the dichromate's -2. We are going to, whoop, that crisscross method. So we're going to need 2 lithium atoms, so it's going to be Li2, and 1 dichromate. This entire polyatomic ion. So it'll be Li2, Cr2O7. All right, so this would be the formula for the lithium dichromate. All right, again, lithium, fixed charge, always +1, dichromate, always -2. This entire bundle of atoms is -2. So now our next example. Let's say we're given barium hydroxide. Barium's a group 2 metal, fixed charge, always +2. Hydroxide, it looks different, right? It's not, even though it's kind of got that ID ending, it's got the hydrogen and the oxygen, right? So seeing that name, we should be thinking, that's from our list of 10 polyatomic ions to memorize, that's OH with the -1 charge. All right, so we got the +2, we got the -1, we do that crisscross method, we go whoop. So we're gonna have 1 barium, and we're gonna need 2 hydroxides. So if we write OH2, this isn't quite right, all right, because that makes it look like there's 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogens. We put the entire hydroxide in a parentheses, and then we put that 2 outside. So there's 2 of everything inside of it. There's 2 hydroxide polyatomic ions. So anytime we need a subscript for a polyatomic ion, we use a parentheses. So our last one for today, iron 3 sulfate. Iron 3, Fe, and since it's a transition metal, they are telling us the charge. It's +3. Now sulfate, again, that ATE ending, that should trigger our memory. Sulfate's always SO4 with a -2 charge. So we got the +3, we got the -2, we go whoop, and we're going to end up with Fe2 coming from the charge of sulfur, and then we're going to have SO4 3. And again, just like the last one, we're going to use the parentheses, put the SO4 in there. We don't change anything about that formula. We just put the 3 outside of it. All right, so iron 3 sulfate, Fe2, SO4 3.